Alright, so I just want to do a quick how-to with the recipe book so we can make sure that everybody understands. So if you look in the introduction, it's super cute with the motivation, preparation, and accountability. But the most important part that I want you to focus on right now is right here, if you see these two circles. So this is just taken from your nutrition plans. So remembering that blue is for protein, orange is for a carb, yellow is for a fat, and green is for a veggie. So each one of the recipes will have one of these circles on them, meaning that they're either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner according to what color is on your nutrition plan. So I'll show you some examples. So you see for a breakfast right here, we have the sweet egg scramble, and it has this little blue, orange, and green guy right here, meaning that's a protein, carb, and veggie. So you know it's for one of your meals that has protein, carb, and veggie. Whether you want to eat that in the morning or at night, if you're crazy and like to have breakfast for dinner, you could do that too. Or like here, number 2, again, you see blue, orange, green. So then again, it's pretty self-explanatory. You see right on this side, there's no fats in this meal. It's just protein, carbs, and veggies. But if we scroll down more, let's go down to some of our dinner meals. Here we go. All right, so for example, here's one. We have avocado tuna salad. So for that one, because there's only veggies as carbs, it is going to be blue, yellow, and green, meaning it's protein, fat, and veggie. So for a lot of you, that would be a dinner meal. And then when it comes to the portions, this is all done as if you were to have a 1 in each piece of your circle. So if you have more or less, you're just going to divide the portions in half or multiply by 1.5. So if anyone has any confusion on that, totally okay to voice it in the group. I know it can get a little weird with the recipes, but for the most part, most of these ingredients and the amount should fit all of your meal plans. And if anything, you'll just adjust the fats or carbs a little bit. So the order of the recipe book is we start with breakfast and then we end with dinner. So if you look here at the table of contents, we've got our breakfast, pages 5 through 16. We have lunches, pages 17 through 28. Dinner, page 29 through 41. And then we have extras. So what I put in there is like I know a lot of you don't like having like food for breakfast that you chew. You would rather just do your protein powder and mix it with some either fat or carbs depending on your nutrition plan. So I coated those shakes and then made some meal replacement shakes for you to use. And at the end, we have some dressings that you can include as well. And so all the dressings that are in here and the sauces are 0 calorie. So do not feel guilty just layering them on, even though that would be kind of gross. And that is pretty much it.